Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the Amazon Fire HD8 2022 tablet. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the tablet and then remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a plastic triangular pick or car pry tool. Next, using both plastic car pry tool and opening pick, gently move around the tablet to free the plastic clips securing the frame. This process will take time and be gentle. Next, take out the back cover and then disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, take out the not working front camera from the body. First, loosen the logic board from the body to access and remove the front camera. You do not have to pull out the logic board completely. Slightly relaxing will be enough to pull out the camera safely. Free the adhesive and undo the lever to disconnect the touchscreen plug. Next, apply some heat to free the connector head from the body. Next, disconnect the LCD plug by releasing the lever. Next, lift the lever and undo the back camera flex. Next, undo 8 screws holding the board. After undoing the first screw, we are disconnecting the front camera flex by lifting the lever. There is no particular order. You can process either way to undo screws from the board. Next, use a pry tool to gently lift the board, starting from the top left corner and working your way around the other sides. Be careful not to lift it too far, as some antennas and cables are still connected to the board. Once there is enough space, pull the camera away from the frame. Pulling out the camera will be slightly challenging due to the glue holding the front camera. Be patient and gently pry the unit from the body. Next, place the new front camera on the board bracket. Next, gently secure the board on the frame. Take time for this process. Ensure the board is securely placed in the frame. Next, secure the front camera connector and fasten the lever. Next, secure the back camera connector and fasten the lever. Next, secure the LCD connector and then fasten the lever. Next, secure the touchscreen connector and fasten the lever, and then paste the tape. Next, secure 8 screws to the board. Next, secure the battery connector to the board. Next, gently align the back cover with the body. Starting from the top corner, press gently but firmly until you hear the click sound. Continue the process around the frame. Gently apply even pressure along the seams to secure all clips. Ensure all clips are secured without any gaps. Next, turn on the device for testing. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.